They'll recommend a contractor, but whose side are they really on? So here's the situation. You have a claim. You call your insurance company. You report it to your insurance company. And your insurance company says, we'd like to send out a contractor for you who will do the work. Be very, very careful. Now, if in your policy it allows for what's called managed repair, they actually might be able to pick a contractor for you and ram it down your throat. That's a discussion for a different video. But if they're just recommending a contractor, you should be very careful. There's a reason they're recommending that contractor. And it's usually not because they do great work. It's because they do cheap work, or even worse, it's because they will give that insurance company an opinion that is good for that insurance company to reduce what needs to be paid. Here's the deal. Unless you have managed repair in your policy, you have the right to choose your own contractor, a good contractor who's licensed, who's bonded, who has experience, who will do a good job, who will treat your home like his or her own, and will actually put your home back together the way it was before the storm. So unless you have managed repair, don't fall for the recommendation of the contractor. I'm not saying that every contractor that an insurance company recommends is bad, but I am saying that you should be really suspect. And unless it's a contractor you already know and you already trust, I wouldn't just go with a recommendation, especially if you already have other people in mind. Now look, if you're completely lost, you can't find a contractor, you have no idea who to go to, then maybe give their recommendation a chance because it's probably better than no one. But be very careful because they're being recommended for a reason. And again, it probably is not their quality of work. Want to learn more? Subscribe for weekly claim tips or go to insuranceclaimhq.com. Protect yourself. If you're having a problem, call us now.